This is Year 1 and 2 Money, Day 9. And today we're going to be calculating change. So you will be able to calculate change. You will also write a calculation to show the change given from 2 coins. And you will even be able to calculate change from 3 coins. So Sue has these coins. She has a 10p and a 5p. She spends 11p. What money will she have left? Okay, so let's do that part first. So we need to do our calculation. So we have a 10p and a 5p. That gives us 15 pence in total. And we are going to spend 11 pence. So put 11 in your head, count up, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means she has 4 pence left. What coins could she have? Think about the coins that make 4p. She could have 2 2p coins, or she could have 4 1p coins. She could have 2 1p coins and a 2p coin. So Matt has these coins. He's got a 10p and a 20p. So the total is 30p. We're going to add those together. And it says here he spends 24p. What money will he have left? So we've got 30p in total and he spends 24p. So we're taking 24 pence away. So put 24 in your head and then count up 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 6 pence. So he has 6 pence left. What coins could he use? He could use a 5p and a 1p. He could have 3 2p coins. He could have 6 1-penny coins. Or it could be a combination of these coins. So Mo has these coins. So we've got a 50p, a 20p and a 5p. Let's add that together. We've got 50, 75. So in total, he's got 75p. And he's going to spend 63p. Okay, so he's spending 63 pence. What money will he have left? So we want to do a subtraction again. Put 63 in your head. And then we could probably, if you wanted to, if you were finding this one a bit tricky, you might want to use a number line. Okay. So we could count in a jumper 10, which would take us to 73. So that's 10. And then to 2. So that would be 12 pence left. And again, we want to think about the coins that he could have that 12p in change. He could have a 10p and a 2p. He could have a 10p and 2 1p's. He might have 2 5p's and a 2p. He might have 2 5p's and 2 1p's. Lots of different combinations to think through there. Sue buys a donut using the coins shown. Write a calculation to find the change. So this coin is a £1 coin and she's going to, the donut is 59p. Now, what is £1 equal to? How many pennies? It's 100 pennies. Okay. So you could write £1. If you forget, you could always write 100 above. Take away 59p. Okay. So I'm going to write 100 on my number line because I want to remember that I'm still counting in my pennies there. All right. So I know that 59 to 60 is a jump of 1. And 60 to 100, because I know my number bonds, is a jump of 40. So the answer is 41 pence change. Matt buys a slice of cake using the coins shown. Write the calculation. So this is a £2 coin. And if it helps you, it's the same as 200 pennies. Okay. And the cake is £1 and 30 pence. So we would write £2, take away £1 and 30 pence. Okay, so what is the jump from £1.30, so 130 pennies, to £2, which is 200 pennies? So we could go £1.40, £1.50, £1.60, £1.70, £1.80, £1.90, £2. That would give 70 pence change. Ben spends 7p in the shop and he pays with a 10p coin. How much change will he receive? So he pays with a 10p coin and he spends, so we're taking away 7p. Put 7 in your head and count up. That gives us 3 pence change. Jess spends 24 pence in the shop and she pays with a 50p coin. So she's got a 50p coin and she spends 24 pence. Okay, so I would say, okay, 25 pence would be 1p, and I know that it's half of 50. There's different ways that you could do this, okay? Do your number line. So you could do 50 to 40 is 10. You could go down to 30, that's 20. Oh, sorry, no, that's 10. And then 30 to 24 is 6. So you've got 10, 26. So she'll get 26p change. Mo spends 73p in a shop and he pays with a £1 coin. So he starts with £1. Remember, that's the same as 100 pennies. And we're going to take away 73 pence. And again, if you want to remember, it's 100 pennies. We want to find the difference. So I could do 100 and then I might count 90 because that's 10. Then I might do another 10, which is 80. And then what's the jump? Let's go 80. I might do 5, take away 5, so that gives me 75. Okay, and what's my jump? What's the jump? 75 to 73. I need to jump 2. So that's 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. He would get 27 pence change. Asha spends £1 and 45 pence in the shop and she pays with a £2 coin. So we start with £2. Remember, that's the same as 200 pennies. And we're going to take away £1 and 45 pence. So that's 200 pennies. Okay. And £1 and 45 pence is the same as 145. So you could do this way if it helps. So I know that 200, if I take away 50, would give me 150. So I'm very close. 150 to 45, I'm taking away 5. So my change would be 55 pence. So Sue says, I paid for my shopping with 1 silver coin. Here is my change. So she's got a 5p and a 10p. What could Sue have paid with, and how much would the item have been? So think about the silver coins. She couldn't have had a 10p because she wouldn't have got that much change. Could she have had a 20p? She could have had a 20p, and if she spends 5p, she might get 15p change, mightn't she? She could have paid with a 50p coin and the item would have cost 35p because that also would have given her 15 pence change. It's about working through your ideas and seeing what you can come up with. You might not always be right first time, and that's okay. That's how we learn. So your activities today. So Gina has these coins. She spends 14p. What money will she have left? So she's got two 10p's. 10p and a 10p is 20p. Do your workings out in the boxes. It will help you. She spends 14p. So for this one, I would put 14 in my head and count 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. She would have 20. I'm so silly. She would have 6 pence left. So now we're going to write the calculation for this one. So we have a donut for £24 and we paid with these coins here. So we've got a 20p and a 10p. So that is 30 pence altogether and we're spending 24p. Put 24 in your head and then count up. So you've got 24, count up, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Hope you use your fingers to help you. Would give you 6p change. So Kat has these coins. She's got a 50p and a 10p. So that means she's got 60 pence in total. and she spends 53p. Are you noticing how I'm underlining important numbers here? Does help. So she's spending 53p. And it says, what money will she have left? So put 53 in your head and then count up to 60. 53 in your head, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Did you use your fingers? 7p change. What coins could it be? So this is where we need to think about the coins and what combinations could make 7p. So she could have a 5p, a 1p, and a 1p. She could have a 5p and a 2p. She could have 7 1pennies. She could have 7 1pennies. She could have 3 2pennies and a 1penny. So it's thinking about all those different combinations. Have a go, see how you get on. Remember to do your calculations. Good luck.